Good morning. I'm supposed to remodel this bathroom. I've been hired to renovate the bathroom. So there's not much to see here, but hopefully when I get her done and as I go through the project, then it's going to be more interesting. I'm just going to take you around and show you the before. Alright, well, it's in a basement. And there's the window, which is nice. It does have an operable window. Now, one problem I'm seeing right now is we're just against the bare concrete right here. That's not a wood wall. That's not insulated like it's supposed to be. Okay, so I'm going to try to convince the homeowner that we need to frame a wall there and insulate it because tub's coming out. She wants me to put a new tub in. I brought one from my house that I have. Just going to give it to her for free. And she's going to put the cultured marble. She's going to have a company come in and put the cultured marble surround. But I need to reframe around this tub. So right now the tub's 5 foot. So it looks like the bathroom's a little bit wider, like maybe 5'4", 5'6", I don't know. So that's going to get ripped out, reframed. We're going to put the new plumbing in. There's a P-trap up there for the other shower. She wants the P-trap changed, and so I have all this old plumbing that I need to connect into, but I'll show you my other videos. I have my nice expander fittings. The toilet, new toilet. We're gonna see what that toilet flange is, what the condition of the toilet flange is when we pull it out. Just everything's just old, just needs to be gone, needs to be ripped out. This vanity's going away. I can't wait to sawzall this out. The medicine cabinet is gone. We're gonna do an exhaust fan up there, put it out the basement ceiling, and put some outlets in here, and get this floor done. There's a little drain down here. We're going to keep the drain and put the new tile floor on. We're going to rip off all the sheetrock and put new sheetrock and everything. So day one here. Is this going to be a success or a monumental failure for me? Well, I'd like to take you through this process, and hopefully it could help you out. Maybe some of you have really nasty bathrooms that you need remodeled. So if you watch this, I hope you can gain some valuable insight. Okay, we'll see you on the next video.